Hello everybody, hello and welcome to a new video. And today I'm gonna try to make a dinosaur game but in Scratch. So this means that it's going to be the dino game, that the one on Google. But instead of it like being a dinosaur, it's gonna be from the Scratch guy, the Scratch cat. So I'm just gonna first go with the the main menu. So let's just go with first of all, let's pick a background for the main menu. So uh let's just go with like a black background. It's not really gonna be that big. Obviously, I could just went to the bitmap and I could just did the paintbrush, but I really don't want to. And let's just name this to main. I think that's how you spell it. But let's add the name here and let's see what shall the name be for this. How about hmm, the dino game is literally just a dinosaur jumping. So how about it will be named the cat game? Yeah, that's a pretty good name. And let's just go with okay, none of these fonts are actually pretty good. So I'm just gonna go with the marker one. I know it's not that good. Tell me if you guys want me to change it or not. I can change it. And let's change this color to like yeah, let's change it to a green color. Now we must copy this and paste it over here, which will make it like the scratch cat will be like this. There you go. And yeah, that's the background. And now let's go to sprite 2, which will be called play button. So let's add the outline a bit. Let's add the outline like 2, and let's add the inside like a blue color in the inside. That's kind of purplish, but it's okay. It doesn't really matter how it looks like on the outside because look, it's pretty dark. But let's just get this guy up real quickly. And okay, and now let's add the button. Let's add the word play. It isn't really a good red, so I'm just gonna put it like that. Let's let's go up like let's get that like let make it like that big. I cannot talk today. Okay, so that's our play button. And let's name this guy Scratch Cat. Because he obviously is the Scratch Cat. And I just made him hide for right now, but yeah. So let's just hit the save button and let's go outside and let's put when the green flag is clicked, we must show. And when back yeah, let's keep this that one in there. Next I want to make like a background where it's like more like it's kind of like and like you know how like in the inside of the house, but like in a house. So let's just go with the walls. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, let's add. Oh wait. Oh, my bad. Let's go add these. Let's add the windows. There you go. Not bad. Hold up. Let's get this line. There you go. Okay, so we made the windows, but as you can see, there's literally nothing out there. So I want to make sure the players can actually see something. So let's add like over here. Let's make it green, like a green forest or something. Let's add it a bit over here down, a, a teeny weeny bit down. Let's go back, and that actually looks pretty good. Now let's add this color. Let's add the tree. Okay, and okay, there you go. That's actually good. And let's add a darker shade of green, so it won't really look like the grass. And we cannot forget about the clouds. So I'm just gonna try to make it. Although we could just leave it right now. It doesn't really matter. And when I see of clouds, I really don't just see like those cartoon clouds. I actually kind of like I don't want to make this type of cartoon clouds. You know what I'm saying? Because like they really don't look like clouds. And I just got out. So like a cloud like this doesn't really look that good. Which is why I'm gonna like paint it a bit more. Because that is horrible. Okay, this actually looks like a good cloud. Let's just flip it horizontal. Let's go down, 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 down. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. Oh no. No, never mind. Not there you go. Although it could go like this. Let's go back to flip horizontal and let's make it more of like this. There you go. That's our cloud. That is actually pretty good. Let's get that color and let's make it more like the floor. And let's add it over here. Okay, that actually looks like the inside of a house. Now, the scratch cat will be running everywhere. So let's just hide the main menu and let's show the cat. Okay, so the cat is over here. It'll be running, and jumping over obstacles, like some things. Like let's say, what will be in a house, which is kind of the dumbest question ever. But like, let's say the owner's a granny. What will be in that house? Because I have no idea. There's a cat, so it should be let's go with some random things like a knitting wool, something like the cats love knitting wool. So let's add that like a collectible. Yeah, let's add it like that or something like that. Yeah, let's add something like that to the game. So what I really want what's really disturbing me is this play button. Main menu to let's change the name. Let's change the name to let's just change it to the house because we're not done with the house yet. There's still gonna be a few things. Like we should add the sunlight oh wait, you guys can't see my hand. We should add like sunlight is coming out of the window. We should add that. But let's just focus on the coding right now. So the house. We should the so when the green flag is clicked, we should show. But when the backdrop house is showing, you must hide. And when the sprite is clicked, it should change backdrop to the house. Okay, let's just test this. Oh, wait, I forgot one more thing. Yeah, when the green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to main menu. And let's also go to the scratch cat and put main menu, hide, and let's just do it like this. And when the green flag is clicked, is hide. And when the house is showing, show. Yeah, it should be like that. Also, let's add it to be go to negative 187 x 187 minus and y minus 91. I have no idea what I'm even saying right now, but let's just press play. Looks looks pretty good. Let's press play, and this is exactly how we want it. Now I'm actually seeing that the scratch cat is actually pretty big, the cat. So let's just make it like nine. Oh no, no, not 190, 90. That's let's a bit lower, like 85. Okay, that's good because the things that are gonna be here is gonna be pretty big. Okay, so now that we got the main menu and the background of the game, we should at least like make customize this. So let's just go with uh let's add a table over here. Like over here. Actually, you know what? Nah, because the cat is gonna be running. I think I messed everything up again. Uh uh how about this is a sprite? This window. Yeah, the window should be a sprite. Okay, let's get that thing out. Let's first of all let's group this and let's copy and let's get rid of it because it it's gonna be like disturbing and it's like not disturbing, it's just not right. So let's make a new sprite. Let's paste it. There's the window, and every time it'll be gliding over here, and then when it's over here like this, it's gonna like despawn and spawn back over here because the cat is running. So right now it's gonna be like over here. Okay, so let's name this sprite back wait background. I think I spelled that. Okay, whatever. We don't really care about the spelling right now. So it's gonna be going left. So let's go to the coding and let's put when green flag is clicked, hide. But when the backdrop switches to the house, show. And also go to where you are right now. It's at you guys can see that. I'm not gonna say it. And I want it to go left. So let's go here. And let's add a forever block. And let's go over here and it says it has changed. It has it you as you can skip. I cannot talk today. As you guys can see, it has changed and it will go like that. So you see it's going like that. But then we will make it go back over here and it will go basically what that is doing. So let's just go like this. Yes, that's basically what's happening right now. We did it. But this is a bit too quick, so let's go with 2 seconds. Yeah, that's the speed we need. So let's just pause the game. Let's see. The cat game. Play. It's just the window that's moving. Nothing else. In fact, that's it. Just the window. We need to add a few things here. So I'm gonna add a table. If I can get brown. Okay, here we go. I think I got it. It's not really a good color though. But it's okay. And let's get a darker shade of brown because this is gonna be a picture right here, and we're gonna make it like, yeah, let's go, let it go over here. There we go. Let this go a bit back. No, no, back. Okay, there you go. There you go. Copy paste back. I actually kind of don't like that, but I'm just gonna leave it anyway. Okay, now let's make it like, how are we gonna make the picture? Let's go way in the picture, like way in here, and let's just make it up. Yeah, let's just make the picture frame. Yeah, like kind of looks a bit weird if you see it in the game. Let's just make it a bit smaller. Okay, that's good. I wanna like a white background, like not that white, like that. And now I want the granny, or at least someone. So I wanna go over here. I need to get skin color, by the way. Hmm. Uh, let's just see. I'm thinking right now. Okay, let's go like this. Something like this. If we go in, if we go out. Guys, I actually kind of don't know. Really don't know how to do it. I have like a 2.5 game. The game's called 2.5, and it may look like I nailed it, but to be honest, it took me a while for me to figure out. So let's make the granny's face. Yes, I do make my game the people's square. Why do I do that? I really don't know. Let's add the hair, gray hair, and uh, ow, ow. I'm just gonna add like a something like this. Yeah, like that. That's more like a granny. And I kind of actually want to get a new color background for this. So let's go more white. Why is it white? Ah, I have no idea. And let's see. Well, the granny likes to wear green outfits, I guess. Green shirt. Okay, just kidding, guys. I'm gonna customize this later. I just needed to add a color for the yeah. Okay, let's add that. Okay, and now let's add the skin color. There you go. I'm gonna go a little bit in. Okay. Now I actually kind of wanna. I actually kind of wanna break everything. Okay, let's copy this. Group and copy. Okay, let's go back. Let's put this back because I completely destroyed everything. Uh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I kind of messed everything up again. I'm just gonna bring this in. Yeah, yeah, like that, like that. And let's add the picture frame. Okay. Okay, let's actually, uh, yeah, you know what? The granny likes to wear green shirt. I kind of lied. She's wearing green shirt. Let's make sure it's actually in, but I feel like it's just, yeah, yeah, like that. Let's get the legs. You know what, actually, you know what, because it looks like she has little legs. Let's put this in like that. And let's put that in like that. Let's put that back. Now let's get the cat. Yeah, let's like that. And uh-oh, I kind of. Okay, there you go. I did it. I did it. Okay, so yeah, like that. That is still a bit too big, and that needs to be small because that's a picture frame. Let's make it like she's holding the cat forward. Yeah, like that. Make it more like this. Okay, I'm gonna make a part two of this because this is actually taking a bit too long. Yeah, like that. It kind of looks like she's floating, so let's do that. Because she's a kind granny. And I also added face uh emotions in that to my game now. Because if you were here, like if you guys played one of my old games, they really don't have a face. Now they do. Now a bit too big. Yeah, like that. Okay, should I add a mouth? Yeah, oh, that is kind of a stupid question. Okay, there's our granny. There's our cat. There's our whole game. Let's just add this like yeah, and let's put this back. Okay, I think we did this. I think we did it. Just yeah, like that, and let's press play. Well, let's save first. Okay, press play. Okay, it's working, but it's kind of the same thing repeated all over again, and like obviously it is. So I want to make it more of like, hold on, let's try this. Something like this will do. Something like this will actually do. Let's just get rid of that. Let's add copy, paste, and let's add one over here. A bit down. And I also kind of want to make this again. So let's, it's like this. Let's go over here like that. Okay, and let's make this 2. Oh, let me just pause the game. And then let's make it go to this. And let's get rid of that. And let's see how this game's gonna turn out. It's not bad. It actually is pretty good. Okay, now I kind of want to make the cat jump, but that's gonna be for next video, tomorrow. I want to make like animation to the play button. So if you guys don't know, I wanted to make it, you can't make an animation, but I want to make it like, so let's do when the green flag is clicked. Forever if touching mouse pointer, and I want to make an animation. Oh, let's see. I want to make it more of like this. And like that. And then the same thing. Guys, basically this takes too long to do animation like this on Scratch. I don't think it's the perfect way, and it exactly is the way to do it. I don't even think you're meant to do this, but that's basically how I do it. Yeah, this long. I I think you guys know what I'm gonna do next. Yeah, it's going to be it's going to be more like this the whole time. Let's go like this and let's make it like that. So, and now I wanted to. Okay, sorry guys. If you guys hearing some random noise right now, I am sorry. That is me. Let's go with wait. 0.0.1 second. Yeah, that's that. Like that. And yep, like that. I use the same animation to my other games. So I think it is allowed. Not that long ago. I use this almost all the time. But I really don't recommend this because it takes forever. I suggest you to like go and watch a Griff Patch video how to do animation. But if you guys want to do something like this, well, good luck. Because trust me, it takes forever. I had to do like 20 costumes, all just to make one small animation. Uh, I really don't recommend this because yeah, I don't recommend it. Okay, so that's the first episode of me making. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Before you guys go, I wanna make a forever block that will be it is literally at the background. So I wanted to make it like go backwards. Like 1,000 layers. Just kidding guys. Do 100. I don't think your computer can handle that. And let's not do this. Let's do when the green flag is clicked because it's just gonna think the house. And I'm gonna do different type of backdrops, so not only this. So that's that. I also want to make an animation to the scratch cat forever. Uh, when switch costume to costume one. Wait, not 1 second. 0.1 second. And let's go with costume two. And let's see how's this. Okay, it's not really how you want it to go. How to fix that is, I think you have to do this and it's like that. Okay, that's basically how it is. I fixed it. So this is basically how you fix that problem. But it's not really going in the speed I want it to go. So 0.2 seconds. Yeah, that's basically the speed I kind of wanted to go. So guys, this is the end of part 1. Part 2 will be released, will be not released. Will be I'll make part 2 tomorrow and it'll be on YouTube tomorrow. So, I think the best thing I can say right now is bye bye!